Now we're going to take a look at one of our propagules. So this plant we had done with our layering lab, and the unique characteristics of this plant are that it makes this huge flower spike, and then the flowers all die off and they're replaced by all of these wonderful little baby plants that exist on the plant. Sometimes they'll start to form roots if the humidity is high enough, but then you can just pop those little plantlets off and pot them up, put them in a little tiny bit of soil here, just kind of on the surface, and then they will develop roots. And so that was a little over a month ago, and look at how well rooted this thing is. It's not overly root bound yet, so this is going to be a very great plant to just go ahead and plant. I mean, that's like 10 days, right? 10 days from being this little propagule on top to having these wonderful roots. So this is going to be something that will be a saleable item for me, you know, now. So that was 10 days. That was a really fast turnaround on this plant to go from being a propagule on the mother plant to being here. Now there's a caveat with that, right? The plant is 7 years old. It took 7 years for that plant to develop that flower spike. And now that plant's going to die. It will eventually tip over, crash to the ground, and that's when all of these babies would anchor and start growing on their own. So that's pretty cool, right? Awesome.